To create an assignment in your Google Classroom, you'll need to go to the Classwork tab. Assignments are the only things that you can create that the students will have to hand something back into you. So we're going to go ahead up here to the Create button and click on Assignment. Go ahead and give it a title. Now that you have your title, I want to point out that I used a naming convention. I used 3 digits, 001. That way all the assignments in that Google Classroom folder will be organized chronologically, and it's a lot easier to keep track. Then go ahead and enter the instructions for this particular assignment. So these are my instructions. The students are going to study an infographic and write down interesting information and important information that they find in their infographic when they're studying it. Then they're going to click on a link that's going to take them to a Padlet where they're going to post their feelings on the issue and any ideas for solving the problem. So the first thing I need to do is attach the infographic for them. And I have that infographic in my Google Drive. So I'm going to click on Drive. And I'm going to type in Infographic. It's right here. So I have my infographic. And then the next thing I'm going to do is get the link to my Padlet and add the link using this right here. Now notice here that you have a paper clip. You can attach anything from your computer. And this video icon is YouTube. You can only upload or embed YouTube videos in your Google Classroom, but you can search very easily just by clicking on that and finding a video. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and get the link from the Padlet and add it right here. So I have my link. I'm going to go ahead and click on the link and Control V, paste it, and add the link. And now the Padlet is ready. Now let's go into the assignment itself. The assignment is worth 100 points. Its default for Google Classroom is 100 points. I'm going to change that to 25. And then to make a due date, you click on due date and time, and then click in this empty field, and it should bring up the calendar. It's going to default to the next day, the day after you're creating the assignment. But I want to give the students a full week, so I'm going to go ahead and put the 24th that it will be due. Next are topics. Topics are like filters, so anything that you put under that topic will show. So I'm going to create the topic Unit 1, and every assignment I want to create or every question I want to ask for Unit 1, the students will look for that topic and everything will be located right there. So this is another setting right here. I do want each of the students to be able to view this. However, if I wanted them to have this in their own Google Drive, once they click on it, they can get their own copy of it and it'll be a resource. So I really want them to have a copy of it because we're going to be working with this infographic and a couple others that I have planned for this unit. So now each student will get their own copy in their Google Drive, and I'm ready to assign. Notice this drop down right here. This allows you to schedule. So on the weekend, you could create all the posts or assignments that you want to populate in your Google Classroom, and then each day that you have them show up, the new assignment will be there. You could also save it as a draft if you wanted to get more resources from a fellow teacher to add to the assignment. So I'm just going to go ahead and assign it. And there's the assignment. So students will, when they log in, click on View Assignment and then follow the prompts. You can see 0 are turned in and 0 are assigned. There are no students in this class, that's why it says that. But yours will most likely have the number of students enrolled in your Google Classroom, and then when they start to turn them in, this number will change. And that's how you create an assignment.